Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove background using Photoroom. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to remove your background using Photoroom, all you can do is simply go to the official website of Photoroom. Once you're in the official website of Photoroom, you need to simply tap it on, and now you need to simply start creating for free. After you have done this, you can simply upload the picture you want to remove background of. Once you have simply selected the picture you want to remove the background of, you can simply tap on remove background option, and the Photoroom app website will automatically delete the background and give you the clear picture only. So this way you can simply use the Photoroom for removing your background. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.